Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to make pizza with toast. So the ingredients we need are medium-sized tomato, green bell pepper, black pepper, mushrooms, red bell pepper, salt, sliced sausage, and we need mozzarella cheese, tomato ketchup, bread, and olives. Okay, so here I took a baking tray. I have placed butter paper, slices of bread. Okay, now let's add tomato ketchup. Okay, now spread it evenly. Now I will add green bell peppers. Now I will add sausage. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. You can add chicken if you want. Okay, so now I will add tomatoes. Add mushrooms. Red pepper. Add olives. Okay, finally we will add cheese. Now I will add salt. You can add according to your taste. Add black pepper. As you can see, I have placed the tray in the oven. Let it bake for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius temperature until cheese melts. As you can see, pizza is ready. Try it at home, it's really easy to make. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.